Hi, my name is Maria Hult, and I work as a product marketing manager at Rillion. Today we're going to do a demo of Rillion Prime buyer solution. So now I'm logged in Rillion Prime, and I'm logged in as Frank and as the role consultant 1. Purchase orders are used in Rillion Prime to be matched against invoices coming into the application. And purchase orders could be imported from an external purchase order system or generated within Rillion Prime's buyer solution. So let's say I have a need to buy some new things. My phone is broken, for example. Then I go under requisitions and create a new requisition because I need to get an approval of this before I actually buy my new phone. So what we have done in the buyer solution is to set up an internal web shop based on your suppliers that comes in from your ERP system and the categories that you would like to have in here. So for example, I could see what suppliers are we buying office supplies from, IT and telephone, just phones, that's Dustin. That's good, then I know that. And maybe we do have some items in here as well. And if we do, then I can start from an item to say, yeah, I would like to buy this phone and this leather case from Dustin. I place it in my shopping basket as in any other web shop online. And when that is okay, then I go for checkout. And the checkout will generate a requisition, and that is the internal approval that is needed to actually buy those things for me. The requisition has a header and some lines, and the lines is what I placed in the shopping basket. Each line is connected to an account posting. So how are we to book the cost for the mobile phone? Yeah, that's on the mobile phone account. Consultant 1 belongs to the consultant department, so it will be booked on my cost center. The requisition will also get an approval flow. Who needs to approve this requisition? I'm the one creating it. It needs to be approved by my manager and also the IT manager. But the only thing I have to do in this view is actually to activate this for signing, and then it will be sent to the next person in the workflow. My manager did now get an email that there is a requisition that needs to be approved in the application. He will log into the application either on the computer or on the mobile phone. And then he can go to his requisitions to see the one we just created. If I open up here, it's the same view. And I, as a manager, could either say, yes, I assign this, or he can reject one or several lines on the requisition. But let's press sign on this one. When everybody in that workflow have approved the requisition, the system will automatically generate a purchase order. So let's go to the purchase order view. Purchase orders could be imported from an external purchase order system, or as we just did, generated via the buyer module within Rillion Prime. If I search here on purchase orders, we can see the one we just created, the phone from Dustin. We can see that it's already set to status ordered. It's possible to set on supplier level how we should communicate with the supplier, if the order should be sent automatically to the supplier or manually. If I open up this order, we can see the details. And I can also take out the order form. The order could be sent automatically as an email with a PDF, or as an XML EDI order. The last part of the process is the delivery part. So when I do receive my phone, I also need to tell the system that I've received it. I can do that by going into my inbox or in the mobile phone. I did receive both the phone and the letter case, so I just confirm this delivery and save. And that will be a signal for accounts payable that when an invoice comes from Dustin on this phone, it could be matched to the purchase order, and then we don't have to handle the invoice. That will be touchless because we already have an approval on the requisition. So that was a short demo of Rillion Prime's buyer solution. Thank you for listening, and if you would like to look at more videos from us, you will find them on our YouTube channel.